Have you ever felt your powerful V8 engine suddenly start shaking or losing its smooth rhythm while you are cruising down the highway? Because that is a classic sign of a P3435 code, which involves the deactivation circuit for cylinder number 5. This diagnostic code is common in vehicles from General Motors and Chrysler, like the Chevrolet Silverado or the Dodge Ram, which use cylinder deactivation technology to save gas. This system allows your big engine to switch into a 4-cylinder mode when you are driving under a light load to improve your fuel economy, but it relies on a complex set of solenoids to turn the intake valves on and off. When the engine control module detects that the voltage in the cylinder 5 deactivation circuit is too low, it will trigger the check engine light, and might even disable the fuel injector for that cylinder to prevent damage. This creates a very noticeable misfire that makes the car feel like it is stumbling. One of the most important things to know is that this system depends entirely on your engine oil, because it uses oil pressure to move the solenoids. If your oil level is low, or if the oil is dirty and thick, it can restrict the tiny passages and prevent the system from working, which sets the code. You should always start by checking your dipstick and making sure you have fresh, high-quality oil at the correct level before you spend money on parts. If the oil is fine, you need to find the deactivation solenoid located near the intake manifold and check the wiring for any signs of rubbing or bare spots. It is common for these harnesses to get damaged by engine heat over thousands of miles. Using a digital multimeter, you should check for continuity in the wires and make sure you have 0 ohms of resistance, because any corrosion in the plugs will cause that low voltage signal. If the wiring and the oil pressure are both good, then the solenoid itself has likely failed and needs to be replaced. Ignoring a misfire like this is dangerous because it can cause permanent damage to your internal engine components and significantly increase your fuel consumption. If you are not comfortable working with intake components or checking oil pressure with a gauge, you should definitely visit a professional mechanic to get this cylinder deactivation system back in order so you can enjoy that smooth V8 power again.